Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews, as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Express. This one here is the 3500, 139-inch Cutaway, 6-liter Vortec V8, made it to the 6-speed automatic. This door's locked. This one, of course, has a box put on it. Bay Bridge box. Not a bad unit. Plates hanging there, so I'm gonna go in this way. It won't hit itself, will it? Oh no, it has stoppers. Good. Plenty of room up here. You have some, not even shelves, they're more like buckets that you have for your disposal. I locked this door so it doesn't slide back and forth, but this is how you get into the cab. Yeah, not a bad unit. Watch my head. All right. Total price of this one, $50,360. Do have a backup camera. Going on down the hill. Give me some airflow. I want airflow. Give me air. Not bad at all. I just drove the new 6.6. Has a bit more torque than this 6.0, but this is still phenomenal. Honestly, some people might question why I like driving these. They're just cool. There's not a lot of videos out there on these, and the videos I have done did really, really well. So, These Express vans, man, they can be made into anything. These come basically with this cab and frame rails, and you can pick which size frame you want. So these I've seen been made into food trucks. I've seen them as school buses. Man, airport shuttles, man. These things are airport shuttle heroes, even in just their normal van trim. Tour buses. These are a lot of tour buses. You know, these things are pretty much bulletproof. I do like the leather wrapped steering wheel. Even if it's fake leather, it still feels great. Seating position is unlike anything else out there. Kind of mixed between a pickup truck and that low cab forward, the flat nose trucks. It's kind of what it feels like. You are sat very high up. Up. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.